Today on this video, I'm going to show you how to make githeri with bananas. So enjoy. So this is how it looks at the end. So let's make it. We start with our onions. We cook them till they are golden brown. Don't forget that they should be golden brown. Then we add our tomatoes and pilipili kadogo. We mix them together. We add our salt and our paprika, and also 2 cubes. Make sure you break the cubes. Mix well and make sure the tomatoes cook before you add anything else. So also for the spices to cook too. We had chopped our bananas earlier, now we add them. I like these small size, so I chopped the small size. Mix them together. Make sure each banana touches the oil. That's the whole idea of mixing. Then because they are bananas, we have to add a little water so they don't stick to the pan, to the sufuria. I adjusted the water because I needed them to cook fast before I add githeri. You allow them to cook. You mix them again and make sure it is not sticking to the pan. Then now it's time to add our githeri. At first, I added half. I wanted to see what will be if I mix. So I mixed well. Then I added the rest because we were more people at home and we needed enough food. Then I add water to allow it to cook. And if you know anything about githeri with bananas, sometimes you may think the water is much, but then because it becomes thicker, the water will seem small. So I had to adjust the water, so I added more water so to let it cook and also have some water, like some soup. I didn't want it dry. So it's for your preference, you may want it with water or not. So now we cover it and let it to cook. In the middle of it, I needed to make sure it had enough salt. So I mixed it again. Now decided to taste for salt. I used a clean spoon. The salt was not enough, so I adjusted it and mixed again. I had to taste the salt again to make sure I didn't over put it or I didn't put more than I needed. And now it was good. We mixed the last time and now we cover it again and now let it cook. There it is. You may think there is a lot of water, but when you mix, you understand that it's not that much of water, and this is the right amount, the right amount of water. So our food is ready, and this is an easy recipe, so you can make it for your family anytime. The only things you need are githeri, bananas, cubes, paprika, and salt and water. So this is how it looks. It was very, very tasty. Try it too.